So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Safepal to Apple Pay. So the first thing you want to do is to actually go ahead and open up your Safepal app. And once you've done that, you can see coin, earn, and NFT. Now to transfer money, you will need to go to your bank page. So you will need to register for Safepal banking/crypto account that's powered by Fiat24 to obtain a compliant Swiss bank account and a virtual MasterCard. So top up your banking account using the supporting currencies like USDC. On there, after that, you will need to open up your Apple wallet. And once you've done that, you will need to click the plus sign to use it like that. So there isn't really a direct way to do that. You'll just need to use your wallet. On here, click the plus sign and add that specific bank account that you've added on through your Safepal account. So these are two different ways that you need to do that to bypass your restrictions that Safepal imposes on you, but it's really not that big of a deal because it's going to be the same bank account and same card that's going to be connected with your Apple wallet alongside with your Safepal wallet. So these are different types just of you setting up your account on both. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safepal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.